Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube video and another trend video. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I'm quite excited to do it. And I'm going to be talking about, so as always, if you guys haven't been to my channel before, my style is mega kind of classic and boring, as I might say myself, but it's like simple, neutral as classic. So when I say trends, it's like how I interpret trends myself and how the trends that I will be wearing, because I'm not one to be like, some of the trends, for example, are saturated hues. That's not me, because I am not a big fan of colour, as you will tell as you watch this video. So anyway, I'm going to be talking about some of the trends. I was kindly gifted a voucher to buy some of the pieces in the video from Farfetch. So some of the pieces are things that I bought with the voucher and some are not. And they've also given me a discount code for you guys. You guys are always asking me for a discount code for Farfetch, so I'm really glad that I have got another one for you guys. I'll put it on screen and I'll write in the description below, and you can use it on any of the products in this video, so happy shopping. And they've also given me a page, my own page on Farfetch, of my top picks and everything in my wardrobe, or what I'm listing after at the moment, so I'll link that below too. So if you want to find, I think everything in this video will be on that page if you don't want if you want to just shop it all, but I'll also put the direct links, so you are completely covered. So I'm going to start with the trend that I think is the one that I least expected myself to identify with. And so before I went shopping, I had to look at all the trends for the next year, or winter, and I thought about what I was likely to wear, what I wasn't, and kind of just kept it in my mind when I was shopping. Even though I feel like everything is a wardrobe staple, but it kind of incorporates the trends. You'll see what I mean as I go on. But anyway, so this bag is the only one that it was a trend that I thought, no, that's not for me, I'm not going to be wearing that trend. But lo and behold, here I am. So the trend is crafty, or craft club. So think embroidery, think crochet, think florals and patchwork, and just anything that's like craft club, crafty vibes. And so many people incorporated this trend into their catwalk looks, from Chloe to Dolce & Gabbana to Gabrielle Hearst to Jill Sander. Everyone was incorporating it, but I honestly just thought, do you know what, maybe further down the line I might end up getting a jumper with embroidery on from Zara or H&M, but I thought luxury wise, I don't think it's the sort of thing that I'm going to invest in, because I don't think it's something that would stick in my wardrobe for a long time. Then I stumbled on this bag, and honestly I was just like, that bag is adorable, and also to me a classic, but just with a bit of fun to it, which is what I feel like this trend is all about. And it's this super cute bag from Stowed. I really like Stowed, and I think this might be the first thing oh no, I did get a bag from them last winter actually, the little moon bag, which is still available I think. But I really like this shape. I think it's super cute, and it's just got that 70s vibe to it, which I feel like the retro look is also super on trend at the moment. And I just love the stitching on it. I feel like I said, it's like a wardrobe staple, but it's just got that touch of fun, which makes it fit in really well with this trend and kind of brings it up to this season. But I don't think it's something that I'm going to think, no, that's so last season, and not wear in years to come, if you see what I mean. So the next trend that I will 100% be wearing, and which I love and have loved for ages, and I feel like it's been around for a while in varying different forms, and that is cutout. And I feel like I say, it's been around for a while in varying forms, but I feel like this season it's kind of hit an all-time high. And if you think about the kind of extremes of cutout, it's like the trousers that have got the tie around the waist, which, don't get me wrong, I really like, but I'm just not feeling confident enough to rock that kind of thing at the moment. And anyway, I just don't think it's the sort of thing that I would go for. But then also there's ways to incorporate it that aren't so out there. And I picked up this top from Nanushka, which is a knitted top, so perfect for autumn winter, transitional, and also comes in a dress form I believe. And they've got a few different styles and colours, but what I love about it, I mean you can't see much of it here, but I'll try it on. So it's got a normal shoulder this side, and then it just has this cutout detail. Jack wasn't sure on it, but then when I tried it on, he liked it, which is normally what he does with everything I wear. But I'll overlay me trying it on, like styling it up. But I just think it's a really nice top. It's such a kind of, again, like I say, you know, it is a trend, but it's the sort of thing that I don't think it's going to go out of style. It's just a really nice, simple black top that, put it with a pair of jeans and heels, it's a really, really nice, like, jeans and a nice top. Or, like, you can style it in so many different ways because it is just a simple black top, but I just think it's gorgeous. And, again, I just think it's timeless. Even though it is a trend, I don't think it's something that's going to go out of style. So loads of different designers are incorporating cut out into their looks, obviously Sinead, but also I think that the most obvious one is Christopher Esber, because he does all of the kind of the trousers with the extra string on, which is what like I feel like he started that whole trend. Dion Lee, self-portrait, Givenchy, everyone's doing it, so it's definitely a big trend and one that I really like, and I can see me adding more pieces like this into my wardrobe. So the next one is kind of like a wardrobe staple to me, but it's also on trend at the moment, and it is serious boots. So just boots that are pretty damn serious. And I mean serious as in, like, they mean business, not serious as in they're very serious. I don't know what I'm talking about. So I picked my Ganni boots, these, and I got these at the end of last year, still on sale, still on trend. This is why I think it's great to invest in key pieces that will not go out of style, because you just wear them again and again and again. So these are my Ganni boots, and I love these so much. They have them in a couple of different colours as well. If you wanted to go to more extremes, they have the boots that are kind of like more knee-high, and Ganni do those too. But then also loads of the other brands, like I think Gio Couture is like the ones that are super popular. They look a bit like wellies. I love those boots so much, but I'm not the sort of person that wears a knee-high boot. I just can't see myself getting enough wear out of them. So I've gone for the classic ankle boot. And then sticking with shoes, another huge trend is the chunky loafers. Again, I got these at the end of last year. Or last winter, I think it was before the end of the year, or it is in the new year, but it was at the end of the winter. And I didn't get a chance to wear them much, so I'm really looking forward to wearing them this year. There's the kind of classic Prada chunky loafers that are really on trend, but I wanted to go for these because I just felt like they were a little bit different. They're from Prensa Schüler. They're a bit more like kind of classy, if you like, because they're not as like logo. I really like the white stitching detail on them. They've still got that kind of chunky feel, and I just know that I'm going to wear them loads this year. I feel like chunky loafers look so great with like leggings and a jumper or something really casual and easy, and then an oversized coat, or also with jeans. Or you can go the other way and go like how it's all 90s Y2K look with like ankle socks and little cute dresses and skirts and things. So there's loads of different ways that people are wearing them, but I feel like I'm definitely going to be more on like the kind of classic jeans, leggings, jumpers looks, but I love them. Then when I saw this next trend, I was like, are you having a laugh? Because that is literally me and a trend, and it is chunky oversized jumpers. I was like, this is the moment I have been waiting for. I'm obsessed with chunky jumpers and knitwear and just jumpers in general, literally just obsessed. I can't even put into words how obsessed I am. So when I saw this trend, I was like, this is definitely one that I will be wearing 100%, because I'm wearing it already. I've been so ahead of the curve for years. So I picked up this one from Nanushka, which is super chunky and oversized. I feel like you probably can't even see it. You need me to try it on, but I just love it. It's got all these like varying cable knits. There's some amazing ones online from obviously Nanushka, from Kate, from JW Anderson. I feel like everyone has got the most amazing chunky knitwear every year, but this year it's like gone extra, read all about it. And I just can't wait to wear this. I honestly am just like willing the weather to turn, because I need the opportunity to wear this jumper. I feel like I've been a bit premature in getting it, but this is a sort of jumper that doesn't go out of style. So next we have another knitwear trend, which is more of a kind of styling trend, and it is knitwear, like a full knit look, so like head to toe knitwear. And I am all for this because, hello, comfort. And I found two outfits that I really liked, surprisingly from the same brand, and it's a really affordable designer brand actually, and it's one that I've spotted and seen around for a while, and I'm so glad that I finally went and bought some bits from there because I am obsessed already, been wearing them loads. Actually, I haven't worn anything else from here yet because I've been waiting to do this video, but both of these outfits I've already worn because I just was like, I can't wait any longer. And the first is this dress from, so they're both from Base Range, and it literally looks like nothing, but I'm going to show you it tried on. And it's a maxi dress, and this is like the easiest way to do the full knit look because it's just one piece and it's so easy. Like in summer, it's so much easier to get dressed, I always think, because you can just throw on a summer dress and sandals and you're ready to go. Well, this is the winter version of that. It's just a knit dress, just throw it on and you're ready to go, and it will look so nice as well with like an oversized coat. I just know it, and I'm planning on wearing at the moment, or I have done with my sandals, like just a pair of chunky sandals, but then I feel like when it gets a bit colder it'll look so nice with the chunky loafers. So like, yeah, I would wear this with like a little heel for like an evening look. I just think there's so many different ways to wear it, so 100% no, I'm going to wear this loads. This is just going to be, and again, this is a classic. So the next thing I got for the full knit look was from the same brand, and it's kind of like the top version. So it's a cream top version of the dress, which is like wrap around, and then with matching trousers, and I just love this look so much. It looks so chic together. Wear it with trainers, like I think it'll look really cool with like my New Balance trainers, like a more of a dad sneaker look, or like Golden Goose, more of like a laid back LA vibe. Or it would look really good just wear it separately as well. So if you didn't want to wear it together, like the trousers look really nice. It's just like nice kind of luxe joggers, and then this top I also wore with jeans a minute ago to film a video. Yeah, the label is still in, and it looked really nice on its own with jeans. So I feel like this is like, you do buy them separately, but they are so easy to like mix and match, and so soft, and they have them in lots of different colours. So I really like they have like a denim blue colour, which I feel like is really nice. So last but not least is suiting, and this is kind of one that I was like, will I, won't I wear it? I feel like it's something that I wear but half-heartedly, which is usually what I do with most trends, to be honest. I kind of like dip my toe in, and it is suiting. Did I just say it was suiting? I can't remember if I already said that. Anyway, so I basically love the look of a suit, but I feel like I'm someone who doesn't feel like confident enough to kind of wear a full suit. So how I'll be wearing it is my oversized blazer from Frankie Shop, which I already have but is back in stock this year because you know it, it's a classic, and they do matching trousers, so I will link those if you want to go for the full suit, and I may actually pick them up one day soon, but I just think they'll look so nice with like black jeans, blue jeans, cream jeans. Kind of gives you that like suited look, but more of like a smart casual vibe. So it's kind of like dipping your toe into the tailoring without going full on suit, but I do think full on suit looks really good. If you were super confident and super out there, then it would look really cool. You could do like a mix of two trends of highly saturated and suiting, and it would just look amazing for like an event, I can imagine. But obviously I am someone who wears a beige blazer and doesn't even dare wear the beige matching trousers. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and my trends that I will be trying out. I hope that you guys found it helpful and found some trends that you're gonna wear. I feel like all of these trends are things that you probably will be able to find things from your wardrobe that you can use to style it up, and then maybe pick out a couple of pieces if you wanted to treat yourself. But as I said, to add in for the new season, but as I said, all of these things I personally think are wardrobe staples too. So I'll leave my discount code below so you can pick any of these things up with 10% off. Just make sure that you are a new customer, and all of these, there are a few brands that aren't included, but everything that I mentioned here is, and I'll leave all the T's and C's in the description below. Everything I mentioned I will link below, and right sizing information too, and anything I like style up with. And yes, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.